Uh, good uh, good morning to all. So my name is Shumon Sharkar. I am from Triple E Department, IEM Management House. Okay, so today my topic of my presentation is simulation of electrical and electronic circuit using the Tinkercad. So I am sharing my screen. Just wait. Okay, so first of all, for Tinkercad simulation, first we are just going to give us some demonstration. Okay, I am writing here in the Google search engine Tinkercad. 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 So this is our Tinkercad. So here we will find the first link Tinkercad create 3D digital design with online kit. Okay, I'm just clicking on this. After that we will get this type of uh, this will appear to us. Okay, so in the right hand side upper there is a option join now. Okay, so and there is a sign in option is also there. So as I have sign in, I have my account, so I can go to the join. Okay, so clicking the join now. Now create the create a personal account. Okay, I am clicking here. So as I have Google account, uh, I am going to use the Google account. Otherwise you can sign in. I'm just clicking here. Okay, it will take some time, so let it open. Okay, actually it is opened here also. Okay, so this is what so I am just okay. It is by default. It was showing Shumon dot. This is my account. Okay, so here in the left hand side, you will get various options: 3D design, circuit, code block, lesson. So I am going to the circuit option. Okay, I am just click the circuit. So here you will find. So I was taking class using the Tinkercad, so it will show me the various circuit what we have done. Okay, for a new circuit, we are going to just create new circuit. For a new circuit we have to click the create new circuit. Okay, it will take a few times to appear. Let it come. Okay, this is our window. Okay, and in the right hand side we will find various circuit. Okay, so basically today we are going to give a uh, brief discussion. We are going to do a brief circuit. Okay, a simple circuit. Okay, so that is okay. I'm showing. So we are going to implement this circuit. Okay, this circuit we are actually going to implement. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. This is a simple PN junction diode. Okay, so for this circuit, basically, wait, just a minute, going to the site. Hmm. For this circuit, first the requirement is the breadboard. So the every component is available here. Breadboard, most of the component is available there. Even here the Arduino, microbit, and DC motor. These are also transistor diode also available in this library. And the main advantage of this circuit of this software is you will get the idea of the real circuit also. So if we type the breadboard, so this is our breadboard. Okay, there is a various type of breadboard what we use in day-to-day life. It is also there here, and it is looks like the real one. So just how to we just select it, select, drag and drop. Okay, using the drag and drop uh, we can do this. Okay, so for this circuit, okay, for this circuit we basically need the here, from here we can see we have chosen already breadboard. Now we need some diode and power system. Okay, and uh, to measure the voltage or current, we need a voltage voltmeter and a ammeter. Okay, so now from here we are just writing in our search box. Okay, sorry. Okay, in search box I am just writing. Okay, I am choosing one resistance. Okay, the process is similar, just choosing hand, drag and drop. Okay, and one diode. So this is a diode multimeter. So we are selecting two multimeter. Okay, so and one power supply also. If we write here, I will get just a minute. Okay, okay, okay. This power supply we are choosing. Okay, so first of all, for this circuit we are just choosing the 1 kilo ohm. Okay, and to rotate. Okay, so to rotate it, here is the option. If I initially choosing the diode, okay, and here uh, in the left hand side above you will find the rotate option is here, and you just rotate, you can rotate it. Okay, so now I am dragging and dropping it. So this is our resistance, and this is the diode. Okay, and I can also rotate it, but I can, sorry, I can select, drag and drop it like this also. uh, or vertically I also can fix it, because this point and these points are totally, this and these points are totally disconnected, isolated from these two, and so we can select it and can fix it here. Okay, so for this power supply, again we are just rotating our power supply. Okay, so this is we can see here, this is the negative portion is there, and this is the red one is the positive portion. Here similar, this is the, this is the cathode and this is the anode. Okay, so we are connecting the positive with the negative, and here with this. Okay, from here, from this end. Okay, so by doing this, what we have done, we have fixed the entire row shorted. Okay, if I move the cursor, it also show it is the shorted. So I can take any, I can use any one point. So I have used just this point. So this is the shorted right now. Up to this, it is shorted. Okay, so now what I am selecting the negative point of the power supply. Okay, and fixed with this one. fixed with this one, so this entire line become the negative. Okay, so I can choose any point uh, from this line, from the below line. Okay, as it is always all the circuit is grounded and connect with the diode. Okay, so this is my circuit completed. Okay, if I uh, and and now to measure the voltage. Okay, so this is also showing, if I choose this, so this is showing the multimeter. So it has multiple function. If I select it here, so I will find ammeter, voltmeter and resistor. So I am first initially I am using it as a voltmeter. So here if I again if I move the cursor, so I will find negative portion and here the positive function. So I am connecting negative positive portion with the positive line, and the basically I am connecting this is the voltmeter. Okay, as it is a multimeter, but here it is used as a voltmeter. So I am just parallelly connected with the voltage source. Okay, and now I want to measure the current. So I am using this as a ammeter. So here it is showing voltage. So I am choosing the mode here. Here I am choosing the ammeter. There is a three mode also available here. As I am going to use this is the ammeter, so I am choosing the ammeter option. So again I am rotating this. Okay, just keeping this one. Okay, here the positive. Okay, positive with this one. So as it is the all shorted. Okay, first of all, first I delete this one. Okay, otherwise I can't calculate. Okay, so again, so as I want to make it in a series connection. Okay, so now the circuit is completed. So one end positive is going to the positive of the emitter and the negative portion went to the circuit. Okay, now the circuit is completed. uh, so here to run the circuit. Okay, to run the circuit, in the right hand side above we'll find some portion code simulation, start simulation. So if we click the start simulation, we can start the simulation. Okay, so now it is in the 5 volt. Okay, so it is the 5 volt. So see, it is the voltmeter showing the 5 volt. Hmm. and and the current is 4.43 milliampere. Okay, as it is passing through the 1k resistance. That is the what happening. uh, it has the diode has a voltage. Means if we use the voltmeter, if we connect the voltmeter here, we will find that it has a voltage of 0.6 or 0.6 volt. Okay, it is a knee voltage. Okay, so from the 5 volt it is detected, uh, and divided by 1000 ohm. So the current is around 4.43. Okay, we can see it here also. uh Sorry, correct. So we can see here, see initially if we use the zero, so the current is zero. If we then gradually increase, okay, at 0.2 volt. Okay, so again there is a zero current is passing through the circuit. When I give the 6, so then I am getting the current around the 120 microampere. Okay, so that is the current just flowing. Okay, if I use 0.7, so that's how it is going. Means below the 0.7, 0.6, it is showing 0. Okay, we can for the better understanding, we can use here one another multimeter. Okay, so I am just choosing here and drag here. So now I am connecting the negative portion with the negative part. I'm just parallelly connected. I am just parallelly connecting the resistance. Diode parallelly connecting to the diode to measure the voltage. Okay, I'm choosing, yes, it is the voltage. It is electrical voltage. Okay, so see here, we can. Okay, okay, so now you we can see the voltage has increased. Okay, so if I give if I increase now 1 to 2 volt, so again this is now saturated, means around the 0.54 volt. Okay, it is the knee voltage. After that, if we increase the voltage of the power supply, okay, but we will get a constant value of the diode voltage. Okay, so this is what we can do. So now if we increase the voltage from 0 to 12 volt or 0 to 5 volt, means of the power supply, and we take the reading of the VDD. So this is our VDD. So as V stand for the voltage and D for the time, so we can measure the VD here, and the current passing through this. So this is the ID. Okay, so ammeter, this is the ID. So we can keep the reading to the we can take the reading to the Excel sheet, and we can plot the graph using the Excel sheet or MATLAB. Okay, so this is what I want to show to all of you. So again, this is the resistance. Okay, if I click the resistance, so see here, if I enlarge, so you can see, so it is showing the color code. Okay, what is practically we use. So from this software, student also can learn, okay, the color code also, and they can realize, means as we are doing classes online virtually, so no other software give the this type of clarity of practical use circuit. Okay, so if I change the resistance value, okay, if I am giving here here it is initially 1 kilo ohm, so if I use it 2, so see here the value of the color code also changing, the color code are also changing. Okay, so now I am here changing the previously it was the kilo, so now I'm choosing the mega. So I'm just choosing so see here, you can see it is changing. So thank you, that is it up to this. Thank you.